In this video, we'll be looking at how to upload pre-recorded videos or audio lectures. Firstly, if you want to go out of a particular theme, for example, we're currently in FIN 301 course. As a lecturer and you have various courses, you can go back to all themes. Then you click on another theme that you want to. For example, I want to upload an audio or a video under FIN 203. So I can decide to go through this post segment. I can upload from here, attach file. Meanwhile, you can also upload PDF documents or Word documents from this post section. So you can upload from my computer. I can decide to upload one of the tutorials I have been taking, like the tutorial on assignments. It's a video tutorial. And I can choose my option. Also note that it's important to note that all class materials should be uploaded under class materials, because this is a read-only option for students. So students don't get to edit this folder. They don't get to edit this class materials folder. So avoid creating other folders. Just upload under the class material folder. So I can upload file. So after the file has finished uploading, I can just type a message, new video lecture, and then post. So it sends the attachment with the message header that I type. So this post gives a notification to the student, so they get to see it as a new notification. However, under the files, you would see the video under the file segment because it's a file. So it would also come up under the file segment under class materials, even if it has been posted from the post section. However, you can also post documents directly under the files column, class materials, upload, and let's post this other video. Uploading one item. So it's been uploaded one item. So this is the item. However, it is important to note that when you post documents under the files segment, it's preferable to go under the post section and also announce to students, just in case there's some students that don't have their notifications on for files. So you can announce that new video has been posted on the topic 2. So when you announce, it gives you like a double check for students to be aware that you have posted a video under this file segment. You can also post don't forget, you can also post your videos under the post segment. Another thing you can also do is to move folders. So you can create new folders to make your work neater. Create new folders. You can name it topic 2. And you can decide to move content. You can decide to move various contents, like say new videos you have posted. So I've highlighted those things I want to move, and then move. So I can just click on move, and I can move it to the new folder I've created, topic 2, and click on move. So 4 files have been moved. So I've rearranged everything to be in a folder.